Hi, I'm back, and I'm going to try to design a workflow based on this data archive single universal command. If it was this easy, going to be pretty upset. But if it's this easy, I'm also going to be able to run a test on it and see its magic work on my OneDrive. So I'm wondering, because of what I just learned, if I should go back and do this paste before your conversation with the information that I just garnered. Um, I also need to ask the information, meaning in the previous video, I had asked about importing entire projects and conversations. And the short answer is that no, ChatGPT does not currently support direct import or move from one project to another or from conversation into projects. But there is a manual transfer that you can do. And so I, I went for that option. And now I got to ask a question. Hmm, you know what? I've decided to start being lazier than that. Does this command apply to multiple conversations being added at one time? I would like to use this command to bring in several conversations and one project into a new project. Will this command suffice? So let us see. So after you dictate, you have to accept the dictation. No, the current command will not reliably handle multiple conversations. Plus a project together. It will merge them, but you'll lose structure. What happens if you try anyway? Everything gets flattened into one document. No separation between conversations. Project logic plus chat logic get mixed, which is harder to reuse. Correct method, what you need instead, use a two-step merge system. Step A, per conversation or project, run the template once per conversation. Run it, run it once for the project. Final merge, combine outputs using a second command, which is merge multiple master documents into one system. Preserve sections, do not collapse structure, add document boundaries. If you want, I can generate the exact merge command. Okay, so generate merge command plus concise, precise, exact step-by-step instructions. And send prompt. So this is the master merge command for multiple documents. So the step-by-step workflow is prepare the surface, collect outputs, run merge, open in chat, master merge command. I feel like something's missing. Okay, master conversion template first, then master merge command. Okay, so now we have master merge command. And so, first one, gonna go back to iCloud. Oh no, shit, stop that. Shit, shit, shit. Stop. Did it in the wrong order. Excuse my language. I swear. Get used to it. It didn't say this video was for children, and children swear anyway, so think about that. Okay, so first, I confused myself slightly. Ah, that's why I'd scrolled to the left. Okay, so string V. Okay, now paste. And the final stage, a complete structured. Now I'm feeling foggy on this. Okay, input conversation below this line. I feel like I need to press enter. Then I'm going to take my iCloud issues, copy, paste, send. Okay, and then going to copy, what's this called again? The master conversion template. Okay, where's my copy icon? It makes me very uncomfortable. Okay, it's there. I like it when it's embedded inside the window. Uh, Accidentally copied something else. So copy. So what conversation do we want to copy next? I think that we do want Mem Palace integration in this. Um, so let's throw that in there. So that's our Mem Palace information coming into this chat. What's going on? Okay. Let's bring the file organization report, and hopefully that's uh, enough conversations. And then we have one why. I feel like I need to clear my clipboard at some point. So that's that. Whatever. Um, Now I need this project. No, I don't want to delete it. I want to see it. I don't understand. Well, how funny, respond in Spanish. Mm. To put a space down here. No. Okay. Need to put a space down here or here. And then go up there. And this is the last one, not this one. Ah. And that's the master conversion template. Oh, did I do that wrong? Master conversion. And then it's master conversion again. And it should be master merge now. So paste master merge into new chat. Paste multiple master documents below this line. I don't understand. Run the master conversion template on each. And so collect each master document. Okay. So copy, start from the bottom first. And let's get all the way down there because I guess it generated a state dump. And then we need this one. One combined code block output. Finalize. Copy final output. Okay. Okay, I think it's not finished yet. Do not return to fragmented conversations. Upload into your new project. Okay. I need help with step 5, finalize. I understand copy final output. I do not understand. Do I save as project underscore master underscore system dot MD on my desktop? And like, can yeah, when I copy this, what do I paste it into to make that work? I understand how to upload into new project afterwards. So good, you're very close. The confusion is just about where the file lives and what app to use, where to paste the copied output. Pick one of these. Option A, Notepad, fastest. Open Notepad, Word, or Google. Open Notepad. Okay, copy response, open Notepad, paste, and now what? And save as. Uh, what was I saving this as? Project Master System. But can we be a little more specific than Project Master System? Um, Uh, Notepad did not give me the option of saving as .md file. That's normal. Notepad hides unless you force it. Okay. Save as. Oh, okay. I love how chat thought that I would just automatically know that. Choose all files. File. Save as. All files. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let me just. So go to the file and nope, wrong one. Stressing me out. So it's never as simple as they make it sound. System dot md. Oh shit. Not mf, md. Okay, let's see if we can upload that. Okay. All right, that worked. Then go to desktop, rename text, use visual style code free. Okay, no. All right. Okay, so yeah. So begin with, I'm glad I asked. So yes, it's now time to begin it. And I didn't know you had to say this because I've been starting new projects, like as I learn things, try to implement them. Needed a little more information. So begin with this first command. Read this file as the master system. Do not reinterpret or summarize. Operate strictly from its structure. Ask for clarifications only if required to execute. Begin. Okay. So I have imported master documents into other projects and chats. I didn't know about begin with this first command. Is there any way that I can correct that? Although I've gone further in these other chats, because it does seem like sometimes that I does seem like the conversation is drifting into regressions. So is that part of the reason why it's drifting into regressions? Is that I've not issued this kind of a command? It was literally just an accident that I said that this time because I felt like I've done all this. What else do I need? And I forget that I don't know what I'm doing sometimes. Yes, drift regression often happens because the system wasn't anchored at the start. Without that command, the chat treats your file as context, not authority. Can you fix existing chats? Yes, you do not need to restart. Paste this reset plus anchor command into another affected chat. Okay. Um, okay. So good. Proceed with your new chat setup. When you return, we'll continue with point three, stabilizing and preventing future drift with a one-line anchor command faster than full reset. Drift detection, lock-in workflow keeps all future chats stable. Okay. I'm now working with a clean, unified system. What is my next step? Lock the system. Okay. You are now operating from a fixed. You are now operating from a fixed master system. Do not deviate from it. Execute tasks only within its structure. If a request falls outside, flag it before proceeding. Confirm readiness and list available execution paths. 2. Force the system to expose actions. Okay. Choose one path, critical decision. You now pick one direction only, no multitasking. Typical paths based on your work. Reply with the number of the path you choose, and I'll give you the exact next command. Mm. chat there. This is really confusing. Maybe. I don't know. System design phase. Oh, this is interesting. I'm not even sure I'm in the right chat at this point. I'm not. So I'm going to delete that. So just still waiting for iCloud access.